This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about moist towelettes, specifically these Luxenap moist towelettes. The unique thing here is they come in a couple of different scents. So in addition to getting your hands clean, they also give you a nice little refreshing burst of scent. The packages themselves are 5 1/4 by 2.5 inches, and you can see it's a nice little foil packet, which means it's going to be easy to slip in to-go bags, right, with a to-go order or catering order or anything like that, to allow your clients to clean their hands either before or after their meal. They come in a variety of little scents, including aloe, peach, tangerine, cucumber, and lavender, meaning you can pick something that pairs with whatever you're offering. They're made of a nice non-woven material that has a nice, beautiful kind of soft texture to it. And the packaging means that these little towelettes will retain their moisture, making it easy for your clients to clean grease and crumbs from their hands after they've eaten or even before. And with that extra little touch of scent, it's a nice, pleasant experience, right? That just adds that little extra touch of something special to what you're offering. So whether you're a restaurant, a caterer, a bar, cafe, or bakery looking for something to include after meals or with to-go items, or if you're just someone who's busy and on the go and wants to keep something within reach, either at your desk, in the glove compartment of your car to clean up quick messes and make sure you're presentable for your next meeting, these make a great option.